Hey everyone, today I'm going to do a tutorial on a program called Cinema 4D. Cinema 4D is an animation program and I will be showing you how to do this. It's Cinema 4D. I hope you will enjoy. So let's get started. Okay, so here we are in Cinema 4D. First we go to this icon and click on floor. So now we have a floor in our project. We go to mograph, text, and now as you can see we have our text object. So we click on our text and go to object, and then as you can see here you have text, and here you can change your text. So for example, test, and now your text is changed to test. So now we will make this text a little bit nicer. So you click on text and you copy paste it. So now we have text 1 and text. You go to text 1, then go to your caps and then click on start fillet cap and end fillet cap. Now we have kind of rounded edges. Now we click on text and we will drag text a little bit forward. So as you can see now we have already a nice text. So now we'll make our materials for our text. So you go to materials, then file, new material, and then double click on it. Now we are here in our material editor. You click on color, and then here you can change your color. I will be choosing a gray. And then you turn off specular. We go to reflection and we turn on reflection. We click on texture and then click on Fresnel. Now we have a nice reflection on our material. We will turn the brightness down and the mix strength down. And now we have our first material. Now we click on File, New Material to make our second material. So we double click, we turn off specular, we go to color, we will be a red color I was choosing. Then we go to reflections, then Fresnel, turn the brightness down, turn the mix strength down, and now we have a nice red color. So we drag our first material to one of our text objects. So I will choosing text, and the second to our second text object. So now if we render it, you see we have our text. Now as you can see we have nothing of reflections if it's rendered. So what we are gonna do is add a light. So we go to this icon, click on light, and now you can place your light wherever you want. So I will be placing it around here. Now if we render it, you can see we have already a nice text. So what I have done is change the font. So we select our both text objects, we go to object in our attributes and we click on font, and I have a nice font called Sired. You can find it online on Google, and now as you can see we have a nice font. And now we will make that kind of explosion effect. So we go to this icon, click on it, click on explosion effects, drag it to the middle, a little bit up, and now we will drag our explosion effects to one of our text objects. I will be dragging it into text. So now it's part of text. So if we drag our explosion down now, you can see it explodes. And I think I will be adding it to text 1, not to text. And now we have a nice explosion. So now it's finished and we will be rendering it to an image. So we take a nice angle, rendering it, and now we go to render and we go to our render settings first, and here we will check everything. So first of all, you must have full render in general. Go to output, and here I will be changing the resolution. So I click on this icon and then go to film video, and I will be choosing this one. You can choose whatever you want. Then you go to save, and then here you can give your file a name. I'll be naming it test, and then format, we click on PNG of PNG, and if you have a fast computer, you can change anti-aliasing into best, so the reflection will be nice. The reflections will be nicer. So we go here in minus level, and here you can change it to whatever you want. So as you can see, check everything again to make sure everything is okay, and I think everything is okay. So we close our render settings, and now we click on render again, and we will click on render to picture viewer. So we click on that, and we click on, I will be clicking on yes, and now as you can see we have a nice test object. So we go to file, save as, still image, everything is selected for us already. We click on OK, and we'll save it to our desktop and save. And now if we go to our desktop, you see here we have our picture. So this was a our picture. So this was a tutorial on Cinema 4D, how to make this. And yeah, I would say thanks for watching, hope to see you again, and yeah, see you later.